Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce and this is my garage. Today we're going to talk about Mitt on a Stick Pro and really focus on Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus and whether you should upgrade if you have the Pro. And if you don't have either one of these, you're going to learn some of the real benefits associated with Mitt on a Stick. So come on in the garage and let's have some fun. So if you've been with my channel much at all, you know I did a video on Mitt on a Stick and how much I really like Mitt on a Stick for reaching those hard to reach areas on your SUV, a van, an RV, buses, any large vehicle. This has been great to reach those hard to reach areas. You can put your microfiber mitt right on here and you can adjust this any way you want and there you go. All padded and everything. It's a great tool. Well, what's different with Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus? It just came out. Both tools are from Autofiber, and Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus just came out. And it's got some really cool new features. Probably the most prominent feature are these little grip things here on the head. And those grip things allow you to attach like a microfiber cloth if you wanted to put on here for drying or to do windows or whatever you wanted to use the microfiber cloth for. You're not limited to just the Mitt on a Stick attachments, although there's a lot of those and I'm going to show you a little bit about each one of the attachments. But this is one of the newest features because these little teeth here will grip any type of microfiber towel that you put on here. So that's a great new feature, but it's not the only one. So the other features on here are that the old Mitt on a Stick used to turn in all different directions. Let me show you. So Mitt on a Stick, not only did it go up and down, but if I press this button here, it turned in all different directions. And while that offered some flexibility, sometimes it got to be a little squirrely in trying to control Mitt. Now you could also secure it right in position, but with Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus, you don't have that side-to-side movement, but you can absolutely secure this in any position you want. So whatever angle it is that you want, you can change this very simply to whatever position. There's no teeth in there, so it's not like you're limited by whatever position Mitt on a Stick wants. You can put it on whatever position you want. The handle is the same great handle. It's super lightweight, yet really durable. So it's padded, so if you accidentally hit a vehicle, you're not going to damage the vehicle. It's super stable. It's not like these just slide together. They actually screw together. There's 3 sections of this pole. They screw together really securely, but also very easy to take apart. So if you want to store them in a little bit smaller location, you can do that. And again, pretty decent amount of threads here, so you're getting a pretty secure connection that's not going to come apart, yet it's easy to take apart and put back together so that you can store it wherever you want. No, this is not a sponsored video. Everything in this video I bought with my own hard-earned cash. I wanted to show you Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus because I think it's pretty cool. Now, you could also take this end off. There's 2 little pins here. You just press those in, the head comes off. So for storing, super easy. The other thing that I think is really cool, beyond just putting, for example, different microfiber mitts on here that you can get. It comes with one, by the way. So it comes with the noodle mitt. And you can also get this in red or blue. I would have preferred red, but when I bought this, this was hard to find. They're still kind of out of stock. You're going to have to search a little bit, but they only had blue. So I took the blue because I wanted to talk about the Pro Plus and really see what it was all about. But the microfiber mitts, this is the one that comes with it. It's a noodle mitt. There's snaps in here that basically just snap over the mitt. It's the same mitt that the old mitt on a stick had. So you can still use those same mitts. There are some other mitts available as well. So there's a Dragon microfiber. There's some Scrub Ninja. There's actually the Holy Clay. So if you wanted to do actually a clay towel from Autofiber, that will fit on here. So there's a number of other attachments that work really well that were designed for use on Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus. But you can also take other microfiber towels, as I mentioned. This is a small Dreadnought drying towel from the Rag Company. So I can do, this is a 12-inch by 12-inch. This can just secure right in here, and actually you could use this to dry. Now it's a fairly small drying towel, but hard to reach areas. I would absolutely do this if I was already out and cleaning my vehicle with this versus bringing a step platform or a ladder to get to those hard to reach areas. So you can use a regular drying towel. If you have your favorite glass towel, again, you can wrap that around here. It secures in these little holes here. These little teeth will grip it, and you're good to go. So there's several different attachments, as I mentioned. You'll see those here for all sorts of things. I used it today. I put on one of my waffle weave glass towels, put it on the mitt, and did the front glass of my vehicle, which normally I cannot reach the entire middle section of the glass, even if I move to both sides of the car without a step ladder. Well, today I did, because I had Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus, put the waffle weave on there, sprayed the glass cleaner on the glass, and went to town from one side of the vehicle. It's a time saver. It's also kind of a safety factor. I don't have to pull out the step platform. I don't have to get up on the step platform. I may not have the room for the platform. So all sorts of benefits, I think, with Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus. I like my Mitt on a Stick, but the advantages of Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus, with being able to put any kind of towel on here I want, adds value and gives me a bit more flexibility on how I use this tool to make detailing, washing, cleaning, taking care of my vehicles just a little bit easier. So I encourage you to check it out. You can get it at Autofiber. I believe Amazon will carry it. The House of Rags is planning on carrying it. It's just hard to get right now because it's new and so popular. So you need to keep your eyes open for where you can get it. But I do have a lot of the links for the accessory products in the show description below. And as soon as I see a company have it in stock, I'm going to add the links where you can buy Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus. So the real question is, should you upgrade? Well, I think that's basically, if you think you see value from being able to do windows in your vehicles with a separate microfiber, for me, that's worth it. Because I always had a hard time getting those front windshields in an SUV without getting on the step ladder. Now I have an opportunity to do that with Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus. So works really well. I really like it for that. I think it is worth upgrading for me. But again, you have to make that decision on what's going to work best for you. I also think having the clay is another, the Holy Towel clay is another option for when I am using clay, doing a chemical and mechanical decontamination on a vehicle, that now I can get to the roof super easy. And nothing says you can't use this for lower sections of the vehicle either. So it's soft, It's not going to damage anything when you have the right media on here, the right lubrication on the vehicle, and you're doing a safe and effective chemical and mechanical decontamination or a wash or drying. So you still follow those same safe practices, and Mitt on a Stick Pro Plus can get the job done for you. So I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you found this valuable. If you're a repeat here at Bruce's Garage, I want to thank you so much for coming. If you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate a subscription. I think you'll see I've got a lot of videos. I try to do at least one a week and keep you all informed of either new products, techniques, or just how to have fun in your garage. Because I think the most important thing is to go have fun in your garage. And thanks for coming to my garage today. Have a great day.